As a hunter, it's not just about harvesting an animal. It's about adventure, camaraderie, and sustainability, which fuels us. We are the true conservationists. You never know where we're gonna go. You never know where we're gonna end up. And that's what I love about it.
The moment that I fell in love with photography, everything sort of blossomed.
Really, Advanture said it best. It's not an adventure until something goes wrong.
It's been 13 years since I've done anything like this.
There you go. I'm hooked. This crew sent it.
Oh my gosh. That's insane.